Alright, continuing with our semester 1 exam. Graph the polygon and its image is problem number 6 on the practice exam. It'll be a different problem on your exam. Graph the polygon and its image after a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. Well, we just have to, it doesn't tell us what the polygon looks like originally, so we're assuming that the solid figure 1, ABCD, is the original, and A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime is the rotated polygon. So 90 degrees counterclockwise, remember, counterclockwise is in this direction. So let's see. Here, a counterclockwise just takes us from one coordinate to the next, of 90 degrees anyways. So let's see. Here, takes us 2 quadrants over. This is a 180 degree rotation. This here is actually looks like a reflection across the line y equals x. Reflection. Let's see. This one here appears to be a 90 degree clockwise, which, as we discussed before, is also a 270 degree counterclockwise rotation. Those are the same thing. Which leaves us with option A, which is the 90 degree counterclockwise rotation. Okay. In your version, this is also going to be multiple choice. They're all multiple choice on the final exam, and that's the one you're looking for. And I think it's the same problem on both of them. They just scramble up the choices. So it's not going to be A on yours, but it'll be that picture. Okay. Identify the numbered statement or reason in the 2-column proof. Here, we're starting out with this is a right angle, and we're trying to prove that x is equal to 8. They start out by saying that ABC is a right angle, and that's just given. Then they say that ABC is a 90 degree angle, which, by the way, is just definition of right angle, although that's not what they're asking for here. We're asking for statement 3, by the way. Now, you'll notice in statement 4, it says statement 3 is angle addition postulate. That says that 2 smaller angles add up to the size of the bigger angle. If you notice here, 6x plus 5 is angle ABD. So we'd have measure of ABD plus 5x minus 3, that's down here, DBC. Measure of DBC equals 90 degrees. Or it might say something like equals the measure of ABC. Alright, so if this is a multiple choice, it could be any of these things, but basically that the 2 smaller angles add up to the larger angle, that is the angle addition postulate. So it might say that they add up to 90. Actually, here's substitution property of equality. It's probably going to say that they add up to the measure of ABC, and then they're going to replace measure of ABC with 90 degrees, and they're going to replace both of these smaller measures with these expressions. Keep in mind, this could have also been called DBA, and this could have been called CBD if this is a multiple choice. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, next. That was, and you'll find more about that in section 2.5. Let's see. Let P be an animal is a dog and Q be an animal is a golden retriever. Write the conditional statement and decide whether it's true or false. The conditional statement here, and this is more of this in 2.1, is P implies Q. So what you're looking for is if an animal is a dog, then an animal is a golden retriever. Okay. So if P, then Q. If an animal is a dog, then an animal is a golden retriever. That is the conditional statement. In this case, it's false, because the animal could be a dog and still be some other kind of dog, like a beagle or a hound dog, or I don't know, whatever, but not a golden retriever. So in this case, false. All right. And I think here would be a good spot to pause. And before we move on.